So in today's video, I want to go over a few things on how to monetize your channel on YouTube. I want to cover how many subscribers you need, how many watch hours, and how long does it usually take. So let's dive into it. Okay, so what I want to show you guys is I have a couple of different YouTube channels. So my first channel is called All Kinds of Stuff. And on this channel, I basically, I review just anything that I would normally buy at a store. Okay, so like pots and pans, chairs, how to install a water heater, basic stuff like that. So my views go anywhere from, on like a washing machine review, 142,000 views, 106,000 views on like tires, a dishwasher, 100,000 views, 92,000 views on a computer speaker. So that's the kind of content, that's the niche. Very competitive market in that, but what I wanted to show you guys is with this channel, if you go to my videos, I don't have a lot of videos. I have around 30 videos, and over the last 3 years, like this is my backup channel. Don't really ever upload videos. I haven't uploaded a video in 6 months. It's still monetized, and it took 3 years. If you go to my nephew's channel, he just started a channel about 2 months ago. His niche is in Christianity. So if we compare my channel versus his channel in the last 30 days has 448,000 views. He's only uploaded one video. He's uploaded 2 total videos, and then he did some little reels. And he has 4,000 subscribers, which is very good. He's getting like 100,000 views a day, which is more than any of my channels have ever performed. And he's getting around 500 subs a day. But what I wanted to show you guys is kind of a couple different things. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, think about your specific niche, think about what you're passionate in and what's going to come across as genuine on camera and what you have to offer to somebody else on the other side of the screen that they want to watch. It's not about you, it's about your audience and catering to that specific niche. My main channel is all about cars. On this channel, I've uploaded 272 videos total in the lifetime. I've uploaded 7 videos in the last 30 days, and I'm averaging around like 3,000 views a day, 2,000 views a day, which pays me about 15 bucks a day, which, you know, is exciting. That's like 300 bucks a month. But one thing to consider is all the time it takes to do YouTube, is that worth it for me? So for me, it's just really like a passion about cars, and I spend a lot of time editing and stuff, which you guys will figure out when you start doing a channel. But what I wanted to show you guys on this video is how to monetize. So as you can see, this channel here has met the minimum standards. It has 1,050 subscribers. Okay, so we're gonna go up here to YouTube Studios, and we're going to go down to the bottom here, and it's going to have monetization. And you can see right here on the screen, you need 1,055 subscribers. Or you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. You need 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month year, or within 12 months, which we've done 13,000 hours. We've got 0 strikes. There's no copyright infringement. There's no music, infringement on my channel. 2-step verification is done. So once you meet the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a 1-year period, you can apply. And it's as simple as that. So we're going to accept the Google AdSense partners condition, partner program. So this is already all done because I have my other channel. So this is in review. I just have to wait. And then if you guys are wondering the kind of money, so let me just go to my other channel and I'll just try to be transparent with you guys. So let's go here. We'll go to my YouTube Studios. And I need to go back to my other channel real quick. And let's see, switch accounts. So I have quite a few different channels that I haven't done anything with, but these 2 channels I think will give me enough to consistently make videos. coming in here and looking like right here, so my estimated revenue for this month is $321. Would you guys like to make another $321 a month making a video once a week? After a couple of years it starts to pay off. It's kind of cool. It's a business, and you can, you know, write things off, purchases, camera stuff, that type of thing. But yeah, let's go to some of my videos. So we'll go to monetization. Let's see. So we'll go to analytics, we'll go to revenue. You can see kind of my estimated revenue for each month. Like this month was 248, 329, 270. So for a small channel with just over 5,000 subs, I'm making, this is my CPM and my RPM, so I'm making around like $5 per 1,000 views on videos. And you can see each day how much money I make: $12, $10, $20, $14. So it's kind of cool. I mean, if you think about that, a little bit of extra money coming in each month, it does make a difference. But yeah, if we look at my top earning content, this month it was on a set of Costco Michelin wiper blades, and then I did a car review that made $33. I did an exhaust install, $33. I did another exhaust install, another 20 bucks. So it kind of depends on the content you're making and how profitable it's going to be. But what I wanted to show you is my top performing video on this channel. So if you go to this Costco wiper blade video, 255,000 views. I uploaded the video a year ago.
Why doesn't
let's click on it, and then let's check out the analytics. So on this one video that I spend probably 5 minutes, 10 minutes to film and just a few minutes to edit, it was actually a really horrible quality video. I didn't think anybody would ever watch it. But if you look at the amount of subscribers I gained for the channel, 219 plus subscribers, 7,600 hours of view time, 255,000 views total. It paid $1,393. That's pretty cool for just one video. The thing is you don't ever know how videos can perform. If we go back and we compare some other videos. So if we go back to one of my other videos and we compare the number 2 rated video, which is 246,000 views. So similar amount of views. Let's go to the analytics there and see what that video performed. So this video didn't make as much revenue. It made $306, but it made 879 subscribers. So off of those 2 videos, I have a fifth of all my subscribers, and I have like 230 videos or something like that. It's pretty crazy. So you really never know how it's going to perform. And you can see when this video was uploaded, November 1st, like it started getting like performing pretty good for views, and then you can see a huge jump. It went from like 50,000 views to like 60,000, 80,000 to 200,000 in just a couple of days, or a couple months. Was October 30th it started hitting. So over like 2 weeks it hit hard, and it made lots of views, so I had lots of subscribers. And then there's some things to consider. So okay, well, I'm going to start my YouTube channel. I've got some stuff that I'm passionate about, I like to record. How am I going to start? You can start with just something as simple as your iPhone. The video on here is incredible. You can start with just something as basic as that. As you progress and you start moving up, you're going to probably want to upgrade to like a GoPro or something like that, and then from there you're going to probably want to get into like an APS-C camera with interchangeable lenses. So these types of lenses will give you different focal lengths, and you can see like I'm shooting on a Sony 10 to 18 millimeter lens on a Sony full frame Sony A7. I'm shooting on a full frame Sony A7 IV with a 10 to 18 millimeter optical stabilization lens with in-body stabilization as well. So there's some investments as you start to grow that you're going to probably have to do, and that's all food for thought. My camera setup's like $4 grand. So I started myself on a cell phone, and then a Sony camcorder, and then bought a few GoPros, and then finally a full frame after about 2.5, 3 years of YouTube. And when you're just getting started on YouTube, what I'd recommend for video editing software, use DaVinci Resolve. You can download it for free. I'll put a link in the description down below. That's what I've been using ever since I've started, and I haven't found any limitations with that editing software. And that's better than paying $350 to $500 to start with some of the other brands. There's things to consider. What type of camera are you going to use? What type of lighting are you going to use? What type of tripod are you going to use? There's little quick things like this little spin-on thing is a quick release that goes to the bottom of my camera and clicks right onto my tripod. So if I want to go from tripod to holding it and vlogging, I just unclip it and put this on versus having to screw it on. Are you going to have different types of, like if I'm going to sit here on the desk, like the camera is sitting on this little tripod mount on my desk. There's little things like that. If you're gonna have GoPros, what type of chargers you're gonna use. If you're gonna upload media, what type of media card reader you're gonna have to your computer. This will read SD card and everything. I just put it all right in here and upload it to my computer. Are you gonna have a battery recharger for your camera? There's a lot of things that go into it. And then there's also, okay, well I'm gonna be out, I'm gonna be shooting and vlogging. What type of bag am I gonna have? I just got this little $30 bag with an external mic holder. I got spots here for my lenses. I've got spots up here for my GoPros. You're also going to do car stuff. You're going to have places for like GoPro mounts and stuff like that. So there's a lot to go into. I just want to kind of show you guys a few things to kind of get you started in the right direction and thought process of what you're going to do to start your channel and how to monetize it. And it is possible to make money. This just goes to prove. My nephew started his channel a little while ago. He's getting 100,000 views a day. And this just goes to show his first video was uploaded 2 months ago. And he has 4.31 thousand subscribers. So like I said, it's all about the niche. He's found the right niche. He comes from a religious background in Christianity. He knows exactly what he's talking about. And it goes to show. Versus me, I have car channels and product reviews. There's so much of that on YouTube already. I think that's why I'm struggling to grow. So as far as some tips to get more views, guys, what I would recommend is consistently upload a video at least once a week. YouTube will favor the content creators that work and that consistently upload. If you don't upload a lot of videos, the YouTube search engine won't really display your videos or recommended videos. So that will help you grow and just find a way to create content. That's what it's all about. Think about what you want to do, what you're passionate about, try to find your niche, and then build your channel. You guys let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, if there's anything else you'd like to see or more information I can provide, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.